Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animals background effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First open your VivaVideo apps, and after this in here you just click on add a video that you want to edit. And now if you wanna add animals background effect, so you just click on the all effect at the bottom. In here you just click on the pitch, and now you can swipe until you can see animals. This one you can click on it, and then in here you can see animal effect that you want to add. In here you can see 1 until 5 animal background. You can choose the animal background that you want. This is the animal background 1, this is the animal background 3, and then this is the animal background 5. You can choose the animal that you want, but in here I wanna choose 1, so you just click on it and click done and finish. So that's how to add animals background effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.